Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
See, generally grant is used. Suppose you are in a particular user, but you want to access other users' objects. If you want to get access on other users' objects or other schemas objects, you should have grant privilege. So in order to get that, what you need to do is you need to log in with other user. From that user, you need to give grant statement to the whatever user you want. In that way, it works. I will show you. Okay. Now I am connecting to my user. Source 50 is my user. So if you type show user, you are under user source 50. Select star from tab. Then you can see list of tables under this user. So I can access my tables. Why? Because my user is right now source 50. I can access whatever the database objects available here. No need of any grants. Why? Because for all these things, uh, source 50 is the owner. So here on our objects we need not worry about. I am connecting to another source. Source 30. Here select star from tab. Then you can see list of tables. Here example I want to access nam underscore s table, which is available under source 30. But I am not the user source 30. I am the user of source 50 only. So what I can do, I can so here you need to give grant privilege. So what I have done, I have connected to source 30. So right now, who is the owner? Source 30 is the owner. So what you need to do here, you need to provide grant privilege. Grant select on table name to username. Which user you want to provide access? Source 50. See, grant succeeded. Now connect to source 50. Select star from source 30 dot. You have to give compulsory this one. Username dot or schema name dot. Source 30 dot nam underscore s. See, I am able to access. So important thing is first go to that user and give grant privileges to this user and connect to this user again, and you need to write select star from that username dot table. Clear? Any questions?
Yes. It's clear. Thank you.
So here I am creating one table. Employee underscore employee number and settings and also insert select star from emp underscore p. So this is your source. So here I want to know how much salary I am paying for each department. I want to know how much salary I am paying for each department. So in department number 10, you can see 100 employee is there and another employee 102. 102 one employee, 100 is one employee. I want to know department wise salaries. Again here department number 20 also how many rows? 1 and last before 1, 2. So department number 10 means 2000 plus 4000, 6000 should get. 20 means 3000 plus 2000, 5000, 30 only one employee, 5000. So here how we are getting department wise salaries? First we are grouping the rows. All department numbers we are going to group and then we are going to apply function sum operation we are going to do. So here how to get is select department number comma sum of salaries. Sum is a predefined function. We can use sum of salaries from table name group by the number. So first we need to group the rows and then you can apply aggregate function sum of salary. See here 10, 2000 plus 4000, 6000 you got. 20, 3000 plus 2000, 5000 you got 30, 5000. So first you need to group the rows and then you can apply whatever the functions you want to see here. Not only sum, you can apply count also. Select the number. I want to apply both sum of salary, comma, count of star from table name group by number. See, you can see the count also. Under department number 10, 2 employees with total salary sum 6000. Under department number 20, 2 employees with total salary 5000. Department number 30, only one employee with salary 5000. So want to calculate average also you can calculate. Select the number comma sum of salary comma count of star comma EVG of sal from emp underscore dpt. Select the number comma sum of salary count of star comma EVG of sal from emp underscore dpt group by number. Okay. You calculated department wise count how much sum how much, and average salary. Select start from EMP underscore. Suppose you want to know who is taking highest salary department wise. What you can do, select D number comma max of salary from table name grouped by D number. So here I have 10, 2000, 4000 employees. So I got 4000. Department number 20, 3000, 2000. Highest salary 3000 you got. 30 only one, you got 5000. If you want to calculate minimum salary who is taking from each department, then apply min function. Select D number comma min of salary from table name group by. So these are known as aggregate functions. Aggregate function means you are going to apply your operations on group of rows, not on a single row. If you observe, first we are grouping the rows. On the grouped rows, you are performing different kinds of functions: max, min, average, sum, count, all those things. Any questions so far?
Oh,
Okay. So here I'm updating one the update table. Set ename is equal to none, where enumber is equal to 100. Update table emp underscore dbt set ename is equal to none, where enumber is equal to 100. Select star from emp underscore. Suppose you want to know total count, number of rows in a table. Just you can apply select count of star from table name. You will get total count. See, 5 rows you have. How many rows in a table? If you want to know, just apply select count of star from. Suppose you want to know only department number 10 count. Then select count of star from empdpt where the number is equal to 10. So select count of ename from empdpt. See, you got 4. When you apply count of star means it will give all the rows irrespective of null values. When you give a particular column, select count of ename. If any nulls are there, it won't count. See, ename you got 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to exclude null count, directly give the field name. Select count of ename from emp underscore dbt. So if you give select count of data enumber comma count of ename from emp underscore dbt. See, you got employee number count 5 but employee name count 4. Why? Because one column, one row, for one row ename is null. Null values it won't count. If you give count of column name, if you give count of star, it will take all the rows. So let's start from emp underscore. So you should be careful with nulls. Here I'm inserting one duplicate. So insert into table name values not for me. Select star from emp underscore dbt. So this is my table. Here I want to know distinct employees. I want to know distinct employees result. So we in the select itself you can apply select distinct number, name, salary, comma, number from emp underscore. Sorry. So 104 came only one time. So while display, how do you eliminate duplicates? By applying distinct class in the select itself. You can also do by writing group by also. Select employee number, name, salary, number from emp underscore dpt. Group by all columns. You need to number, name, salary, number. See, there are two ways. You can apply distinct and you can eliminate duplicates or group by all columns. Then now what happens? Each row it will be treated as single group. All columns combination take it as a group. So if all columns taken it as a group, then these two rows becomes one row. Select start from emp underscore. See here, I want to know distinct employees. So here there are duplicates on employee number. I want to know distinct employees. So what I need to do? Select distinct number from emp underscore dpt. You want to get the distinct count, then select count of number and count of distinct number and count of star. You can see the result data from emp underscore dpt. See, whether count of number, count of star, both are same. Why? Because there are no nulls. If there are nulls, you should not go. See, whenever you want to know total number of rows in a table, go for count of star only. Suppose on a column wise basis, suppose you want to know how many employee numbers not null, then just apply count of number. So count of distinct number. So 104 is repeated twice, right? So count of distinct number is nothing but 5. You got that. Suppose in interviews also they will ask a question, how do you find out duplicate records exist on a table or not? How do you find out duplicate records exist in a table or not? So duplicate records means, so here we are thinking the employee number is the key column. So what you need to do? Select count of star, comma, number from emp dpt group by d number. If you give like this, number, not a group by expression. Okay, group by number we need to do. Select count of star, comma, number from emp underscore dpt group by. See, you get the counts like this. So you can say this is the duplicate record. So only I want to get this record. I don't want only one time repeated records. Then you need to apply a having class. So generally write here, in order to know total number of rows in a table, select start from table name. That is the query. Suppose if you want to apply a filter, suppose I want to display only department number 10, then you are applying where condition. Select start from table name where d number is equal to 10. But when you are grouping the rows, you are getting these rows. After grouping the rows, if you want to apply a filter, on the grouped result, if you want to apply a filter, you have to go for having class. I will show you here. Select count of star, comma, number from emp underscore dpt group by number having count of star greater than 1. See, you got only 2. In interviews also they will ask a question. What is the difference between where class and having class? Where class also applies filter, having class also applies filter. Where class applies filter on a table, whereas having class applies a filter on grouped result. First you grouped the result, and then if you want to filter from the grouped result, then go for having class. Suppose 100 rows in a table, you want to display 50 rows, go for where class. After applying some department wise salaries, you want to know which department is taking highest salary, then you can go for having class. Any questions so far? Select star from. So if you apply select distinct table name, you will get only one row. I want to delete data permanently from the database itself, database table itself. I don't want duplicate record. I want to completely remove from the table itself. So how do we do that? So we can use delete statement, right? But if you use delete from table name where emp dpt is equal to 104 means these 2 rows will be deleted. Whatever the condition you give, these 2 rows will be deleted. I cannot delete based on this. So if I give ename is equal to Rani, 2 rows will be deleted. Ename is salary is equal to 5,000, 2 rows will be deleted. D number is equal to 30, 2 rows will be deleted. But I want to delete only 1 row. If all the columns in rows are same, then how you are going to differentiate? There is a pseudo column predefined row ID. Select row ID, comma, e number, comma, ename. Internally it will store row ID. Ename, comma, salary, comma, d number from table. See, if you observe row ID, even though these 2 rows are same, all values, see, row ID is different. Internally, for each row, it will store one with one row ID. You can use that row ID and you can eliminate. Delete from table name emp underscore dpt where row ID is equal to. So why we use row ID means how do you delete one row? See, I have 2 rows, right? So I want to delete one row. Tell me what is your query. Without using row ID, I want to delete only one row out of these 2 rows. How I can delete? I know only delete statement I can delete. But if you apply and where condition any number, delete from table name where a number equal to 104, it is deleting 2 rows, right? I should delete only one row. Got it? So where row ID is equal to. See, only one row deleted. So row ID only differentiate all the rows in a table, even though all column values are same. Select star from emp underscore. See, only one row. Based on row ID, you can delete the duplicated row completely from the database. So here there is a concept of subqueries. Subqueries means you can write one query within another query. You can write one query with another query. Suppose here you want to display highest salaried employee information. So I want entire this record. How I can get entire this record? So first of all, I need to find out who is taking max salary, right? So I want to display highest salaried employee record. That means I should display this record. So how I can get? First, I need to take max salary record, and then I need to take corresponding E number. So what I can do? Select star from emp underscore dpt, where E number is equal to. So this is inner query. We call it as select E number. Or here we can directly write where salary is equal to. Okay. Select max of salary from emp underscore. So these are known as subqueries. So first this will execute whatever is there in the parenthesis. Select max of salary from emp dpt. What is your output? Max of salary is 5,000. So that 5,000 you are assigning to where condition, where salary is equal to 5,000. Then you will get this record. See, these are known as subqueries. You can write one query within another query. Can you get directly without writing subquery? It's difficult. Why? Because first you need to find out max salary. You cannot give where condition here directly. Where E number equal to 5,000 means you will get, but you don't know, right? If you know max salary, then fine. If you have 1 lakh crores, you don't know what is the max salary. So first you need to calculate max salary, and then you are assigning to where condition, where salary is equal. Then you will get that record. Not only equal to, suppose if you want in also you can use sometimes based on your requirement. If you are getting multiple rows, you can go for in. If you are getting a single row, go for equal to. So suppose you want to find out second highest salary. How you will do that? So first highest salaried employee, you got it. You want to get a second highest salaried employee. How you will get? So here what you need to do is select the max of salary from emp dpt, where salary not equal to select max of salary from emp underscore dpt. Then what happens? First it will calculate max of salary from emp dpt. What is the max of salary? 5,000. Here what we are doing again we are calculating max of salary where salary not equal to. That means we are excluding 5,000. Out of these again we are calculating max. Then you will get second max salary. See, you got 4,000. Second highest salary. Any questions so far? So here we have one pseudo column pronoun. Select star from emp underscore dpt. Suppose you want to get top two rows or whatever rows. Select star from emp underscore dpt, where pronoun is a predefined one less than or equal to 2. So we will get top two rows. You want to get top four rows in a table. You have 1 lakh rows. You don't want all the rows. I want to see top two rows or top four rows. Again, select star from emp underscore dpt, where pronoun less than or equal to 4. See, you can see top four rows. Onam is a pseudo column you can use. Are you able to hear me? Hello? Anyone, can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
I think some audio problem from your side itself. Jay, just disconnect and connect again. So, Snehal Patel, Metal Patel, they are able to hear my voice. See here, you want to get top two rows, apply row name less than or equal to 2. If you want to get top four rows, apply row name less than or equal to 4. Hello. Suppose you want to get third highest salary or fourth highest salary. So you can use row num also sometimes. So what you need to do is first you need to sort your salary descending order. Then what happens? 5,000, 4,000, like that you will get. So if you sort the data, what happens? Select star from empty underscore t. Select star from salary empty underscore dpt ordered by salary. Select step. Salary descending means highest value you will get first. Next 4,000. Next 3,000. I want to get highest salary, next highest salary, like that. So what you need to do? Select star from. So within this you can write select star from emp underscore dpt order by salary descending, where row num is equal to 1. See top two employees. How to display top two employees? So first what you are doing here, select star from emp dpt order by salary descending. So this is the output. Within this I want to get top two, that means first two records. So what I have done, select star from, this will take it as a table, this result set, where row num less than or equal to 2, then you will get top 2. Suppose you want to get top 5 employees, give where row num less than or equal to 5. Any questions so far?
No.
Just if you give row num less than or equal to 1, you get highest salary employee, top 1. So here select star from emp underscore, select star from 2. There are numbers. I will insert some rows, insert into table name. So here one class is there, exist class. If suppose your requirement is if one table contains data, then only you want to display the other table data. Select star from emp underscore dpt where exists select star from dpt. So you need to give parentheses. Select star from emp underscore dpt where exists select star from no row selected. Exist class, how it works? If this table contains data, then only you want to display this table. So here no rows, right, and dpt table, so you did not get any data. Suppose insert one row into dpt table. Insert into table name values defined button 20 finance. Insert into button select star from emp underscore dpt select star from. So my requirement is if dpt table contains data, then I want to display data from emp dpt. Then go for exist class. Select star from emp underscore dpt where exists select star from. See now data. Earlier we did not get data. Why? Because dpt table is empty. If dpt table is empty, you cannot get data. Any questions? So dual, select star from dual. Dual is a system table. Dual is a system table. It returns value capital X. Dual is a system table. It returns capital X. If you want to check the data type also, you can check DESC dual. See dummy where cat2 of 1. In interviews also they will ask what is a dual. Dual is a system table. It contains value capital X and data type is varchar2 of size 1. So how this table helps you see? Select sysdate from dual. Sysdate is also a predefined one. So if you use like that, you will get the today's date. Select sysdate from dual means 18th November 2016. So whatever the functions available in SQL using this table, you can apply all predefined functions. Suppose we have in numeric function, so we have a round function. Okay, select round of 10.567 from here. So you got value. Yeah. So if you want to check any of the predefined things, you can go for dual table. Any predefined functions or predefined operators, if you want to use, if you want to check how it is working, then you can use dual table. See here round function how it is working. 5 or more than 5 after decimal digit, then automatically it will add 1. So 11. Suppose you have given like this, select round of 10.567 comma 2 digits. If you don't specify to any digits, it will truncate all decimal points from here. Now you can see 10.57. You can specify the decimal places also. After how many decimal places you want to do a round. Suppose if you apply truncate, there is one more function, truncate of 10.567 from here. Just you will get integer part, not truncate, trunc. Select 10.567. See, you will get only integer. So trunc function removes the decimal places and gives integer number. Round function rounds based on number of decimal places. If you don't give any decimal places, then it will round to an integer. Select ABS of -1. Don't give it. It will convert negative value to positive value. ABS, absolute function. Select ABS of -100 from UL. See, but 100. See, you can not only use the constant values, you can use all these functions in your table also. Select star from empty underscore date. So here also you can apply round and trunc, but you don't have here decimal places. What you can do is add a column, monitor table, table name, add one dummy column, number of 5 comma 2 or 5 comma 3. Select star from empty underscore date. So I am updating with some values. Update table name, set dummy is equal to 10.367, where key number is equal to update dmp underscore dbt, set dummy is equal to 16.234, where key number is equal to 101. Update table name, set dummy is equal to 18.324, where 5445, where the number is equal to 102. Update table name, set dummy is equal to 1.234, where the number is equal to 103. Update table name, set dummy is equal to 10.66, where the number is equal to, select star from emp underscore. So here I said, right, not only on constants, you can apply predefined functions using dual table. You can apply on table columns. So apply like this. Select e number comma dummy comma round of dummy comma. You can see all at a time. Round of dummy comma 2. If you want one digit also, you can set dummy comma 1. Round of dummy comma table. Select e number comma dummy comma round of. See, here how it works, round. So 10, 16, 18, 12. If it is more 5 or more than 12, then it will add 70. Trunk means just it will remove the decimal places irrespective of 6 or 5 or anything. See here 16 output. Just it will truncate decimals. So if you truncate to 2 digits after decimal points, if it is 5 or more than 5, then it will add 1. 10.37, 23, 45, 23, 66. So in this way, you can use predefined functions on the table, or you can directly use constants. In the next class, I will explain some more functions.